Some 4.5 billion years ago, a dense cloud of interstellar gas and dust collapsed into a spinning disk of matter. At its center, hydrogen fused into helium, and our Sun was born. In the outer reaches of that disk, rocky material began clumping together, growing larger, more spherical. One of those clumps became Earth. This early Earth was nothing like the world we know. Volcanoes dominated the surface, releasing hydrogen sulfide, methane, and carbon dioxide, forming the very first atmosphere. Asteroids and comets bombarded the planet constantly, and then came the collision that changed everything. A Mars-sized planet called Theia struck the young Earth with tremendous force, sending debris into orbit, debris that gravity slowly shaped into our moon. Earth was still searingly hot. All water existed only as vapor. But around 3.8 billion years ago, the planet cooled just enough for that vapor to condense. The first oceans formed, covering the surface and turning Earth into a water world. And with water came life, the earliest microscopic organisms appearing roughly 3.7 billion years ago. As life stirred in the ocean, land was emerging too. The first continents, called cratons, rose from the ancient seas, eventually assembling into Earth's earliest supercontinent, Vaalbara. Then, around 2.4 billion years ago, cyanobacteria became Earth's first photosynthesizers, flooding the atmosphere with oxygen. This transformed everything, including the climate. Lower carbon dioxide levels plunged the planet into its first ice age. The continents kept shifting. Rodinia assembled, possibly the largest supercontinent Earth has ever seen. Complex life began to emerge. Then Rodinia broke apart, new landmasses formed, and between 540 and 485 million years ago, life exploded in diversity during what scientists call the Cambrian explosion. Hard-bodied creatures, trilobites, mollusks, early vertebrates spread across the oceans. But 440 million years ago, a sudden climate shift triggered the first great mass extinction, the Ordovician-Silurian event, erasing the majority of species alive at the time. Life recovered, trees appeared, animals moved onto land, and by 250 million years ago, a single vast supercontinent, Pangea, covered much of the Earth. This was also when Earth endured its worst catastrophe, the Great Dying. Volcanic eruptions, greenhouse gases, and runaway warming eliminated nearly 90% of all species. Yet from that devastation came opportunity. The first dinosaurs appeared around 230 million years ago and dominated the planet for the next 150 million years, from the enormous Argentinosaurus to the fearsome T-Rex. Then, 66 million years ago, an asteroid struck what is now Mexico. The debris it threw into the atmosphere blocked sunlight, collapsed food chains, and ended the age of dinosaurs. Mammals filled the void. Ecosystems rebuilt themselves. Around 6 million years ago, the earliest human ancestors began walking this earth. By 800,000 years ago, they had discovered fire. By 10,000 years ago, they had learned to farm. And 250 years ago, the Industrial Revolution reshaped human civilization entirely. Today, over 8 billion people inhabit this planet, a world that has survived asteroid strikes, total glaciation, and 5 mass extinctions. The question now is whether it can survive us. Kindly subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.